She investigates contractor fraud and still verified us. One of our HomePride customers investigates contractor fraud for a living. When she needed a bathroom remodel, she didn't trust anyone. She checked. She checked for licenses, she checked their reviews, she checked for certifications, also looking at their Better Business Bureau ratings. And we weren't chosen because of a sales pitch. We were chosen because everything checked out.
And a lot of people don't do the research before they hire a contractor. They don't look to see if they're licensed. They don't look to the Better Business Bureau to see what their ratings are, or other people's comments about them, or just do a Google search. But to me, it's really important because it is really huge. So that is always my process, is to look online, make sure that I'm hiring somebody that has good ratings, that they're licensed. Of course, it's always important that they're in Colorado. It's just really important to research everybody out.
Trust isn't what a company says. It's what a company can prove. We encourage you, do the same before hiring anyone. If you want to read more helpful tips on how to properly vet a bathroom remodeler, we invite you to visit our Learning Center at www.homepridebath.com or by clicking on the links provided. And if you want to see more videos like these, we invite you to check out our YouTube channel, From Demo to Done. There we have a wide variety of videos ranging from educational, tips, hints, suggestions, testimonials, before and after transformations of real Colorado homes, so you can see for yourself just what HomePride is all about.